Good morning, fellow Lagosians. Something is happening, oh. Something alarming is happening. Something very, very alarming is happening. Because, tó bá dojú ẹ̀ sìn, Governor Jide la ma forí gbé pé, la ma forí gbé ebú. This issue of police people, police maintenance and police fueling. Why is it that police vehicles have started entering filling stations to go and buy fuel? This is not the first time, this is not the second, this is not the third to the 10th time I'm seeing this thing. And it's wrong in all shades. Please, Chief of Staff of Lagos State, who àwọn wo ló wà in charge the security of Lagos State? Because now, to track people in Lagos State, gbèsè ti wà ńlẹ̀, san gbèsè, wọ́n láyà ń bọ̀ dé láti track ìgbẹ̀yìn. We have issues now, they'll be telling us they cannot track. Now, police vehicles have started entering into filling station. Wọ́n ti lọ ń queue fepo. Police ara rẹ̀ sì ti ń tọrọ owó títì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ̀yin wo lẹ ń kó owó jẹ o. Ẹ jáde síta kẹ́ tètè lọ ṣàtúnṣe. Before I come back and start mentioning your names, I will mention your name and I don't care anything that will happen. Because they continue. You people cannot continue to suffer the masses. You people cannot continue to use bucket to be siphoning the money that belongs to the common man. And you are carrying people's money, allocation that is meant for protecting lives in this Lagos. You people are siphoning it, stealing it in the name of Empower. I will come back and mention people's names. I will come back and mention people's names. Chief of Staff, let this be the last time. What happened to Ibile Holdings? Ibo lẹ kó owó Ibile Holdings sí. Ilé hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì wo lẹ ń wá epo àwọn ará rẹ̀ sí lọ. Torí ará rẹ̀ sọ yẹ kó máa rí epo ńlẹ̀ epo. BRT náà ti mú di wọlé sílé epo. Wọ́n ti ń queue fepo. Ẹ má jà pariwo yín síta o. Ẹ má jà pariwo yín síta. Torí tó bá yẹn sìn, Jídé nìkan lẹ máa fẹ́ kó máa gbé pé governor nìkan. How many does the governor's eye want to see? You people should let this be the last day, 31st of December 2022. Tamari ara rẹ̀ nílé epo kankan. Any reason, for no reason whatsoever. Torí tí ara rẹ̀ bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gba bribe, problem ti dé sí wa l'Èkó yìí nìyẹn. Problem ti dé sí Èkó yìí nìyẹn. And people are paying tax. Lagos State has money. So I don't see any reason why police vehicles will be going into filling station to buy fuel. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí orí yín pé. Ẹ lọ reset orí yín kẹ́ lọ yọwọ́ nú owó ara rẹ̀ ṣe gbédìlé yẹn. How can unbelievable. Why? Kí ni mọ́tò yìí wá ń ṣe ní epo? Why would you bring a police vehicle to a filling station to buy fuel?
You see what you are embarrassing?
Oh yeah, Afira. Afira, mo pàdé mi láti tọ́lá.
Then you see your embarrassment.
How dare you bring police vehicle to a filling station?
You see your embarrassment.